Well, you want to see some carnage? I got raised out of bed this morning by this horrendous noise out here. And you see that? That's pieces of fan blade off the heat pump. He's gone to the guy that's the service guy's been here. He's going to get a fan blade for it, but you see that big gouge right there? That's where the fan blade broke and launched itself into the condenser coil. But luckily, like I said, I don't own this house, so I'm not going to pay for it. But boy, talk about bad noise. And this thing has been, excuse me, noisy ever since I've been in here. When it runs, just vibrates and everything. So I had a feeling something was on its way out. So he's going to fix her up. All right. Well, that's better than any alarm clock. Should have heard it. See ya.